Every 4 years, billions of people watch this football make history, but almost nobody knows how it's actually made. Today, we're going inside the high-tech factory. The journey continues as premium polyurethane panels are cut with microscopic precision. Every panel must be perfectly shaped, can affect the ball's speed, accuracy.
Next, the precision-cut panels are permanently heat-bonded together. This advanced technology creates a perfectly seamless surface, giving the official FIFA World Cup.
Inside every official FIFA World Cup ball is a high-performance butyl bladder. This critical component locks in air pressure, helping the ball maintain its perfect shape. Now the ball is inflated to its official FIFA match pressure. Advanced 3D laser scanners inspect every millisecond, speed, and control on the world's biggest football stage. Before it can be used on football's biggest stage, every official World Cup ball must pass an advanced AI-powered inspection. Only balls that meet FIFA's strict standards move on to the final performance tests. Now comes the ultimate performance test. Robotic launch systems measure the ball's speed, spin, and flight with incredible precision, ensuring it performs exactly the same every time it touches the field. After passing every performance test, the ball receives its final FIFA certification. Only then is it officially approved to be used on football's biggest stage, the FIFA World Cup. With certification complete, the official match ball is carefully packed inside a premium protective case. Every detail is designed to keep it perfectly protected until it reaches the FIFA World Cup. Once securely packaged, the official FIFA World Cup match ball begins its journey under maximum protection. Every shipment is security containers to ensure the ball arrives in perfect condition.
After leaving the factory, the official match ball enters FIFA's high-security logistics network. Every checkpoint is monitored with advanced security systems before the ball is cleared for delivery to the World Cup stadium.
After an extraordinary journey from the factory, carefully placed on the official match pedestal, it now waits for the moment the entire world has been waiting for.
Carried by FIFA officials through the players' tunnel, the official World Cup match ball is moments away from making as millions of fans around the world prepare for kickoff.
After an incredible journey from a high-tech factory to the world's biggest stadium, the official FIFA World Cup match ball finally watched by billions around the globe.
And finally, the World Cup ball makes its first touch. In this moment, precision engineering becomes history. Fly with incredible precision and unmatched consistency on football's biggest stage, where every touch can change history. After an incredible journey through the moment every football fan dreams of, a historic World Cup goal that will be remembered forever. From a high-tech factory to the biggest stage, this single ball completed an extraordinary journey. This is the official match ball, where engineering becomes history.